Okay. Hi everyone, it's Teacher Laurie with Teacher Linda, and today we're going to make a rainstorm using our hands and our feet. So get seated and put your feet down on the floor and get ready. You can fix it.
I think it might rain. Do you hear the sound of the wind? Rub your hands together to make the sound of the wind. It's really picking up. Now I feel a few raindrops. Tap your finger and thumb together to make the sound of the raindrops coming down. Or snap your fingers if you know how to snap. Now it's really starting to pour. Hands on your lap. Make the sound of the rain pouring down. Faster and faster. Now lightning. Clap your hands. Thunder. Stomp your feet. Lightning. Thunder. Lightning. Thunder. Oh, it's really pouring. Hands on your lap. Faster, faster, faster. Now start to slow it down a little bit. I think the storm might be passing. Now it's just raindrops. Snap your fingers or tap your finger and thumb together. The rain is starting to slow down. Rub your hands together and make the sound of the wind. It's going to blow the last of the storm away. Slow down, and stop.
Now let's stand up for the Raindrops Song. You remember the Raindrops Song. It's one of our favorites. Start with one little raindrop falling from the sky. One little raindrop falling from the sky. Splash! Falling from the sky. Splash! Falling from the sky. Splash! One little raindrop falling from the sky. Splash! One little drop of rain. Next is two little raindrops. Do you remember what two little raindrops do? They're knocking on the roof. Ready? Two little raindrops knocking on the roof. Ow! Knocking on the roof. Ow! Knocking on the roof. Ow! Two little raindrops knocking on the roof. Ow! Two little drops of rain. Next is three little raindrops, and they go sliding down the window pane. Sliding down the pane. Window pane, like over in our room over there. Window pane, like in our classroom over there. Let's start over three. Yeah. In our room over there. Okay, whatever.
I feel better.
I didn't practice this part. Next is three little raindrops. Do you remember what three little raindrops do? They go sliding down the window pane. The window pane, like the windows in our classroom and in your house. Ready? Three little raindrops sliding down the pane. Zip! Sliding down the pane. Zip! Sliding down the pane. Zip! Three little raindrops sliding down the pane. Zip! Three little drops of rain. What's after three? Four raindrops. You know what they do? You remember? They run away and hide. Let's go. Four little raindrops run away and hide. Boo! Run away and hide. Boo! Run away and hide. Boo! Four little raindrops run away and hide. Boo! Four little drops of rain. The last is after four. Five little raindrops. And they dance up and down. Five little raindrops dancing up and down. Whee! Dancing up and down. Whee! Dancing up and down. Whee! Five little raindrops dancing up and down. Whee! Five little drops of rain. Now we'll rest. That feels good to jump around. Bye.
Bye.